Hello all, today in this video I'm going to make a continuation of the previous video only with email spam detection data set. So that is with previous we worked with the RNN and in that RNN we used some additional things like a dropout layer and also Adam layer with some specific learning rate. So with the previous code itself we confirmed that we will be making some video that what is the use of why what will happen if we are not using this dropout layer and also not using this Adama layer learning rate. So in this code we are going to work not with we are not they are deleting this dropout layer and going to see what is the thing it is happening. So we can just see a quick overview. That is, previously we have imported what are the libraries which we are needed, and then we are using our or importing or loading the data set. This data set we downloaded from Kaggle only. You can just give us phishing email detection Kaggle data set means you will get this data set, and also this data set is having some null entries. So in order to reduce that, we are giving the filna function. So we are checking this by this shows that our data set is having some null entry. So we have to use this filna function to just remove this null entries. Then we are making the pre-processing function like label encounter to the labels only, that is with the target variable to get an output. Then we are just making this email type as the target variable. So we are making a plot with this email type, that is how many safe email and phishing email is detected. You may notice that when compared to this phishing email, safe email entries is high. Then we are making use of the train test split function. With this train test split function and also by making use of the text and label. So you can notice we are here we have called our text and labels. Text will carry the email text variable and labels will call the email type variable. So based on that we are determining the variables like xtrain, xtest, ytrain and ytest, and the test size we have given as 0.2, that is 20% for testing and remaining 80% for training will be allocated. So if you want some different size means you can just specify it. Then we are using the tokenizer. Tokenizer we are using only to the x variable, that is xtrain and xtest. Since we have to convert our text to sequence of integers, for that we are using the tokenizer. We are applying it to the xtrain and xtest, and also after tokenizing this xtrain and xtest, we are padding this xtrain and xtest by using the pad sequences. Then this pad value only we are making into the RNN for fitting. Then here you may notice for fitting we are using this padding sequences only. So this is the layer contribution which we have given. So initially it is having a sequential layer, then followed by embedding, simple RNN, dropout, dense and optimizer as Adam. In the code which we are going to see, we have neglected this dropout rate. So we are working all others are similar only. You may notice that here we have worked for nearly 10 approaches and we have got nearly a 63% validation accuracy. 0.6357. So without dropout we are going to work. So here you may notice here we are not using the dropout layer. So here 6357 is the validation accuracy we have got previously, but without using this dropout layer we have got some improvement with the validation accuracy. So some cases this validation dropout layer will reduce the overfitting, but in this layer after reducing this dropout layer the validation accuracy has got increased. It seems that in this layer there is no need for this dropout layer. So and we have also made the comparisons of this, that is RNN with the dropout and without the dropout. Already you may we have seen that without with the dropout the value is less only. So you may notice the training accuracy with RNN. So this is without dropout, so it is high only. So with in this specific data set, without using this dropout layer, we are getting better accuracy both when compared to accuracy and also loss. In the next video we will be working without using this add-on function, whether it is showing some increment or decrement. Thank you.